Solve 32x cube minus 84x square plus 25 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 32x cube in place of minus 84x square. Now we should write minus 20x square minus 64x square plus 25 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 4x square. So here you get 8x minus from this 4x square out you get 5. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 1. Here you get 64x square and here you get minus 25 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here, that is 64x square minus 25 equal to, in place of 64 I write 8 square x square minus in place of 25 5 square. Now 8 square x square is nothing but 8x whole square minus 5 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a 8x, in place of b 5. So this will become 8x minus 5, 8x plus 5. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 4x square 8x minus 5 minus 1, in place of this 1, 8x minus 5, 8x plus 5 equal to 0. Next, what can be taken out common from this entire equation is 8x minus 5. So 8x minus 5 outside. Here we are left with 4x square and here we are left with these two, that is minus 1 times 8x plus 5 equal to 0. So 8x minus 5, 4x square. Now you open up the brackets, you get minus 8x minus 5 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here, that is 4x square minus 8x minus 5. To factorize this, we should split the middle term, minus 8x. So in place of minus 8x, now I write minus 10x plus 2x minus 5. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 2x. So here we get 2x minus from this 2x out you get 5. Whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside you get plus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x minus 5 common. So here we have 2x and here plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 8x minus 5, in place of this 1, 2x minus 5, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 8x minus 5 equal to 0, 2x minus 5 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove minus 5, so add 5. You get 8x equal to 5. Now we should remove 8, so divide by 8. You get x equal to 5 by 8. Now here, we should remove minus 5, so add 5. You get 2x equal to 5. Now we should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 5 by 2. Now here we should remove plus 1, so subtract 1. You get 2x equal to minus 1. Now we should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to minus 1 by 2. So the x values that we got are 5 by 8, 5 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. This is our answer.